Today, let us discuss very interesting and simple and medical oriented, endocrinology technology oriented, the pituitary gland. First of all, we know where all comes under the vertebrate. All vertebrates having pituitary gland. This pituitary gland is a very interesting gland which produces so many hormones which control all other glands. Our body consists of various endocrine glands. It is called endocrine glands. The endocrine glands secretes hormones. The hormones are very important role for our body thermoregulation, growth and reproduction. Without hormones, the mammals or other animals which is not regulate their metabolic process, thermoregulation and also reproduction. So, the pituitary gland, this pituitary gland located at the base of hypothalamus and behind of neurohypophysis, that means brain. The pituitary gland otherwise called hypophysis. Here I am drawing this very simple diagram of pituitary gland. It consists of the stalk which connected to the hypothalamus and it divided into two lobes, anterior lobe and posterior lobe. In center parts intermedia. It is a very simple diagram. The pituitary gland is like a pea-like structure. Its length is 1 centimeter and the weight is 0.5 gram. It is originated from stella turnica of the brain. The color is reddish pink color. It is very important gland. This gland is called a master gland. Why the pituitary gland is called a master gland? Because of its multiplicity of its function, it controls overall glands, other glands like thyroid and adrenal gland. Not only thyroid, adrenal gland, and also it controls all reproductive activities, gonads, eggs, etc. So, it divided into two regions, anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis, posterior pituitary gland or neurohypophysis. It consists of two regions. The adenohypophysis secrete various hormones. For example, HGH, human growth hormone, human growth hormone. Number 2, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Third one is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Fourth one is ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Fifth one is luteinizing hormone, LH. And sixth, prolactin. These hormones regulate by the anterior region of the pituitary gland. This anterior region of pituitary gland is very important gland which secrete very important hormones. Hormones are growth regulators. First hormone HGH, human growth hormone. This growth hormone or somatotropic hormone, other name is somatotropic hormone, STH, somatotropic hormone. This somatotropic hormone or growth hormone is very, very essential for the growth of children to the adults. Suppose deficiency of this STH or somatotropic hormone, what happened? The very simple symptom is shortness. The person becomes shortness. Thus, normal growth cannot happen. Did not happen. Normal growth. Sometimes overproduction of this GH. The acromegaly is the symptom. Gigantism. The person's belonging gigantism, the gigantic appearance happened. The overproduction of the STH or HGH, human growth hormone. So it is necessary for growth from child to adult. Suppose insufficiency of this kind of HGH, which become efforts to the person development. Next hormone TSH. This hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. Already the neck region consists of thyroid gland. This thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormone. This thyroid gland controlled by the anterior pituitary gland TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Already we know about what is the function of thyroxine. So the thyroxine is a very important role for regulation of the various function of our body. Next, third one is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. It is very important hormone for both male and female. The female consists of ovaries. The FSH involved to the ovaries for growth regulation of the ovary, and the testis, even the testis secrete semen. This semen have been controlled by the FSH. And fourth one is adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. This hormone secreted by anterior region of the pituitary gland. The ACTH control of adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland is another endocrine gland. It is located on the top of the kidney, like cap-like structure. This is adrenal gland. The adrenal gland control kidney functions, the formation of urine, regulation of urine. The adrenal gland controlled by ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. The fifth one is very interesting hormone, luteinizing hormone, LH. This hormone presents in the female ovaries. At the time of birth, this hormone is very important role for the birth of the child. And it is present in the both ovaries and testes. Prolactin. This prolactin hormone is very, very important role for production of milk when the childbirth. Not only in human being, all mammals. So the prolactin hormone is a very important role for secretion of milk, because the infants need for their nutrients? Mother milk. So, mother milk is very essential for all infants. So, this is the anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis secreted HGH, TSH, FSH, ACTH, LH and the prolactin. So, this is the overview of the adenohypophysis hormones. Next, there is a posterior region, the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland secreted two hormones. One is oxytocin, second one is ADH or antidiuretic hormone. What are the function of oxytocin? It is very important function. Oxytocin is a very important function of the mammary gland and as well as uterus. The female mammals are man. The female consists of uterus, which is useful for the womb or embryonic development in the uterus from the fertilized eggs to the birth. So, at the time the oxytocin hormones are a very important role for giving birth of child without any danger, because that oxytocin hormones are essential of all pregnancy women. And second one is ADH, antidiuretic hormones. This posterior region or neurohypophysis pituitary gland, which secretes second hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormones. It is a very important role for functions of kidney. Already we know the kidney consists of nephron having Henle's loop and Bowman's capsules and other structures are there. In this ADH involving for formation of urine and control of urine in the kidney, and also various animals. These hormones are useful for control various animals. So, this is the outline of pituitary gland. Secrete 8 main hormones. Another hormones, sometimes MSH, ICTH or additional hormones which is secreted for the skin color and melanism and the color of pigments to control the hormone. So, intestinal corticotropic hormone ICTH, it is also useful for when the pregnancy time. So, the pituitary gland, why it is called a master gland means, now you can understand this idea. In this pituitary gland control all other glands, all other endocrine glands. So, my dear students, this is the outline regarding the pituitary gland. This is a master gland for control other glands. So, my dear students, we are ordinary human being. We fall in love with the opposite sex. For suppose some girls are beautiful girls are seeing in the public place or any other place, automatically as a male we can see, we can imagine it very beautiful, because this hormone secreted for seeing to that opposite sex, it is a natural phenomenon. It is natural phenomenon because of secretion of hormones. All hormones secretes of this vital role for thermoregulation, metabolism and excretion, not only excretion and reproduction. So, now the medical reproductive technology is based on endocrine technology. This comes under endocrine technology. So, endocrine glands are a very important role. Nowadays what happened? Infertility happened because of we intake some modified GMO food and some food consists of various rays, gamma rays, X rays. So, the infertility level is increased nowadays because so many things are there. The medical team consult with the endocrinologist, they can give a solution for betterment of the fertility rate. Thank you very much for watching me. Thank you.